Once upon a time, there were three little pigs who went out into the world to seek their fortune. The first little pig set off through the fields. He met a man carrying a bundle of straw.
Please, sir, will you give me some straw so that I can build my house?
As much as you need, little pig.
The man gave the straw to the little pig, and the little pig built himself a straw house.
What was that? Who touched my butt? Ah! Tiger! Tiger!
Little pig, let me come in.
No! Not by my hair of a chinny chin chin. I will not let you in.
Then I'll huff and I'll puff. I'll blow your house down.
And he huffed, and he puffed, and he blew the house down. The second little pig went up the hill to the woods. There he met a man carrying a bundle of sticks.
Please, sir, will you give me some sticks so that I can build myself a house?
As much as you need, little pig.
The man gave the sticks to the little pig. The little pig built himself a wooden house.
Who's there? Who touched my butt? Ah, tiger!
Meanwhile, a tiger came along and knocked on the door.
Little pig, let me come in.
No, not by the hair of my chinny chin chin. I will not let you in.
Then I'll huff and I'll puff and I'll blow your house down.
And he huffed, and he puffed, and he blew the house down. The third little pig skipped down the lane towards the town. On the way, he met a man carrying a load of bricks.
Please, sir, will you give me some bricks so that I can build myself a house?
As much as you need, little pig.
The man gave the bricks to the little pig. And the little pig built himself a brick of a house.
Who's that? Who touched my butt? Ah, tiger!
No sooner had the little pig settled into his new home than the tiger came along and knocked on the door.
Little pig, let me come in.
No, not by the hair of my chinny chin chin. I will not let you in.
Then I'll huff and I'll puff and I'll blow your house down.
And he huffed, and he puffed, and he huffed, and he puffed. But he couldn't blow the strong little brick house.
Ha! You can't blow my house down.
The tiger strived harder to blow out the little brick house, but he couldn't destroy it. The little pig lived safe and snug in her little brick house for the rest of her life.